Hi everyone, welcome back to our personal portfolio web application build with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of our previous video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that in description down below. On the end of this video, we'll be able to create an experience model, immigration, and then display our experience from database. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to make this link workable. So let's do that by going on root in web.php file over here. Create a root which will get a handle get requests /admin experience. Add experience controller. With index function, and the name of root will be admin.experience.index. We haven't created this experience controller, so let's create it by open the terminal and run php artisan make controller. Add the name of our controller, experience controller, located in admin folder. Alright, our controller has been created. Let's go back in our web.php file over here. Let's import this experience controller from controller. Alright, now we are going to create this index function in our experience controller. Alright, so let's go in our experience controller over here. Create a function called index, which will return the view from admin.experiences called index. Alright, we haven't created this index view, so we'll go on resources, on views, on admin, create a folder called experiences. In the experiences folder, create a file called index.blade.php. Within, we are going to extend layouts.admin.base and add a session content. Within, we are going to add a title, hello. Alright, now when we visit /admin/experiences path, we see this error message. Now we are going to work around adding a design template. I have already created our design template, so we'll go in public folder, on templates, on backend, in experience.html, copy this session and go in our resources on experience in index.bed.php file, remove this error message and add our template. Alright, as you can see, we finished to add our template. Now we are going to work around on create a model. So we'll go back in our VS Code, open our terminal, and run php artisan make model and add the name of our model, which is experience. And -m for migration. our model and migration has been created. Let's take a look that appear in our migrations. Now I'm going to add some columns over here. Table, string, company, which will be nullable. Let's duplicate this line. Here it will be period. And then let's duplicate this line. Over here it will be period. Alright. We finished to add our columns. Let's go back in our terminal, clear this out, and run. PHP artisan migrate. Our migration has been created. Let's just take a look that it appear in our database.sqlite file. In this experience, as you can see, our migration has been created. All right, now we are going to work on seed this experience table. So let's go back in our VS Code terminal, run php artisan make seeder, and add the name of our seeder, which is experience seeder. Alright, our seeder has been created. We'll go in our experience seeder located in database seeders directory. Add over here db table experience, insert our first experience. The company will get the name, for example, Apple Inc. Let's add a period. And then add position. And then don't forget to import this db from facade. Let's now update our database seeder by calling over here the experience seeder class, and then don't forget to import this experience seeder from seeders folder. Now let's go back in our VS Code terminal and run php artisan db seeder and add a class of our experience seeder. Alright, we finished seeding our database. Let's check it out in database directory in database.sqlite file under experience, and here they are. Alright, now we are going to display all these experience from database and show it in this table. We'll go in experience index function create a variable experience and call all experience order by ID, desk, and get don't forget to import this experience from model folder and then pass this experience in index view with compact. Now let's go in index.blade.php file. Over here, we are going to make a loop with for each with experience as experience. Move all this tag into this loop. And over here, we are going to get experience company. And over here, we are going to get experience period. And then over here, experience position. As you can see, we finished to fetch the experience from database. That is all about of this video. In upcoming video, we are going to work around on create a new experience. If you have still any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to keep going. Thank you for watching.